What is good, YouTube? Hope everybody's doing well. Please go and watch the latest 2 updates, little videos I've just put out. Yeah, I need some help, as you'll have seen, heard. Yeah, I need help. I need help sorting these giveaways out. I'm gonna do 2. I had a big hit of subscribers yesterday, gone from 122 up to 151. It's only fair I do another giveaway. 1 second. I'm going to give a slab away. And I'm going to do that by there'll be a random comment in the chat, and I'm going to give this mini tin sealed to the funniest comment in the video, in the chat. So yeah, it's in there. I think it's got Temporal Forces and Obsidian Flames. That's going to be given away to the funniest comment in the video. The second slab, I haven't sorted one out. Anything for Nixies is good. Yeah, that'll be to a random comment in the chat. It's only fair I do another giveaway. I'm still trying. You'll see my videos. I'm pissed off. I am pissed off about it. I can't find a list of the 151 subscribers because I think, and what my little Steam Deck thing here is telling me, is that a lot of over 75% of them are I'm that pissed off I can't get my words out. 75% of my subscribers have their subscription set to private, not public, so I can't view them. Reach out to me on Instagram and let me know if anybody knows how I can do it. So yeah, I ain't gonna harp on about that because it's pecking my fucking head. Excuse my language. It's pecking my brain. Let's get into this mystery box. Hang on, let me see if I can get rid of the address. No, fuck it. You can't see it. This is massive. Sent to me by an Instagram account, Dave's TCG. His details are in there, so I would massively appreciate if you go and send him some love on Instagram. Box is huge. Covered the playmat. Well, that's one thing. ETB by the looks of it. Let's open them up one by one. There's his details. Dave's TCG. Give him a follow, please. Give him a follow on his Instagram. That's crazy if that's... yeah. Dave had a budget, and I think that budget has just blown straight away. Oh, nice. We've got Trick or Trade, Scarlet Violet base, Surgeon Sparks, Stellar Crown. We'll open those up in a bit. I do like the Trick or Trade. look at that. Little Charmeleon. That's cool, that is sick. That's going straight in the display. I'm going to put Dave up front and centre. Don't follow this man, please. 151 playmat. Cool. I do love a nice playmat. Scarlet and Violet sleeved blister. Dave. Hot potato. A Shrouded Fable Kingdra EX Shrouded Fable collection box. That is a nice promo. Jeez, Dave. And there's more. Super cool. Is it the Zardy boy? Yes. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. That's absolutely crazy. That's so cool. Dave, you are a legend. Another one. I'm going to put him over there out of the way so I don't get broke. There we go, look. This is Dave. Give Dave a follow. Buy, sell, trade, anything. All Pokemon. All things Pokemon. Dave, I will be handing these out everywhere. Superstar. I'm going to have to stand up. This box is huge and I've cut myself. Got three more things in there. I'm going to leave that box there so Dave is up front and centre. Some sleeves. You never have enough sleeves. These are what I think they are. I have been after some of these for a while. Oh no, there's a slab in there. Shit. What are these? The McDonald's, yes. I'll be keeping those sealed for the collection. Cheers, Dave. Oh, Toos, what are you doing? Oh, Beckett, you... That's nuts. Dave. That's cool, lads. So in PSA, you guarantee that'd be a 10. Beckett's one of the hardest to get a 10. And Bellsprout, first edition, Jungle. Dave, you've blown me away, brother. and we've still got... There he is again. Please give Dave a follow. Mate, I have seen these on Instagram. They are awesome. Check them out, guys. Wow. 3D Zubat. That is insane. And another one there, cool as. They're definitely going in the display. I've seen a guy on Instagram making these, and they are, wow, they are really, really cool. They take some time as well, and it's gone through 4 or 5 cards there. I'd go through fucking stacks. I'd be chopping bits left, right and centre. Let's have a look. They're awesome, Dave, thank you. And the slabs, you've definitely gone above and beyond, way over. Now, I was in a live chat yesterday with Zardsy, and he was opening up some Shining Fates, and I said, I've never opened any. Zardsy, if you can remember, you were opening Shining Fates yesterday, and I said, I've never opened any. Oh, do I open it or do I keep it sealed? Oh, I'm going to think about that one. That's insane. Dave, you've blown me away, brother. That is absolutely nuts. Let's open these. Remember, guys, there is a giveaway for a slab. Random comment in the chat. And a tin for the funniest comment in the chat. Let's open Surgeon Sparks last. Let's go Scarlet Violet. I'm going to save the trick or trade ones for my little grandson. He's a good boy. When he come over on the weekend, he get to open some cards. Go card, courtesy of Dave. I think it's, yeah, 1. Shroomish, Mankey, Charcadet, Capsa Kid, dog with fucking buns on his head, Torkoal, Scovillain, Miriam. Oh, nice. Double banger, Penny and Catty, whatever her name is. That's a cool double banger, that is. They'll be going in the sleeves shortly. Sick cards. Go card. Slowpoke, a Wattrel, Zangoose, Crowgunk, Beach Court, Sanaconda, Straptor, Fluffy, Bombardier, Professor's Research. Just let me cat in, he's knocking at the door. Get in, you lazy dossy, use the cat flap. Let's open some Stella. card. Espathra, Glemeow, Pancham, Swallow, Marowak, Eldergloss, Froakie, and a Melmetal Hollow. Go card, either way. Last pack of Surgeon Sparks. Pour Me, Fan Rotom, Lileep, Gravity Gemstone, Veluza, Reverum, Coridon, Briar, oh nice, and the Terapagos EX. We've done well on the pulls. And I haven't opened any of this in a long while. I'll slap my coffee. Keep hydrated, people. First coffee of the morning. Go card. Yeah, let's make it different. Sveal, Dino, Flittle, Meow Stick, Pasho Berry, Vivillon, Cetadile, whatever that is, Archaludon EX, nice. That's a nice pull, nice card. Last pack of Surgeon Sparks. Right way round code card, as a mouthful, right way round. Your basic energy, Cryogonal, Uxie, Charcadet, Skarmory, Paldean Taurus, Latios, Surfer Dude, Orangu Reverse, Graffiolo Reverse, and a Togekiss. If I had £1 for every one of these I pulled from Surgeon Sparks, I could get myself an ETB. Just saying. Let's get into this one. I'm definitely going to keep that ETB sealed. That's sick for my collection. I've opened a few mystery boxes. They've all been bangers, but this one's a banger. Go card. I was messaging Dave yesterday to let him know I had a notification that the box had arrived. I was at work, and when I got home I was like, Jesus Dave, what the is in this box? That's huge. And he's laughing his head off. My Mastiff, Onkoloin, Smoliv, Sandile, and Professor's Research. A messaged me this morning. He's like, what were you expecting? He said I said to him, oh, can you do me a mystery box? Blah, blah, blah. I've only got a small channel. He's like, yeah, no props. Give us your account, your YouTube name. I'll go and have a look. I'm going to leave that in there for now. And then I'm going to take it out after and sleeve it up with the rest. Yeah, nice Black Star promo. The Kingdra EX. And 5 packs of Shrouded. Yeah, so he's come and had a look at the channel. And so, yeah, I'll do your mystery box, blah, blah, blah. And we worked out the price with postage and what have you. And he's just come back and said, I hope you're happy with it. Yeah, I think he's well blown the budget, definitely. Top man. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? It's Dave. Dave's TCG. Yeah, please follow Dave's TCG. Man's a legend. Go card. I've opened it. Oh, nice. Hollow Energy to start with. Meowth. Zora. Houndour. Varoom. Malmar. Sylveon. Vital. Sylveon Reverse. A Slitherwing and a Haxorus, whatever he is. Go card. Rowlet, Meowth again. Krogunk, Golbat, Weevil, another Slitherwing, Cassiopeia, whatever her name is. I'd love her, the full art. Cufant, Inkay, and Copperajah. Card. Yeah, I'll save I'm going to keep that Shining Fates ETB sealed. I'll probably sit there looking at me. Open me, open me. I'll save it as long as I can. I don't want to rip it today, that's for sure. Sneasel, Varum again. Axew, Beware, his full art's awesome as well. Vettel. Academy at Night, Kyurem, Houndoom Reverse, Inkay Reverse, and another one of them elephant with a digger bucket on his nose. Card. Another Beware, Sneasel, Eevee, Dusclops, Powerglass, Genesect, Binding Moochie. The fuck? Binding Moochie. Yeah, Beware Reverse, Kyurem Reverse, and a Dusknoir. Last pack of the day. Hollow Energy, Furfru, Varoom, Absol, Fracture, Garvantula, another Academy at Night, Kyurem, Clarissa's Tenacity. This box has been brutal. We got one hit, Absol, and a Blood Moon Ursaluna to wrap it up. I say only one hit. That's a good hit. I haven't got that one. Yeah. Oh, don't drop it. Yeah, it's got a little ding. I ain't going to grade them anyway. Fuck me. They're my cards, my collection. Keep dinging the camera. Yeah, so remember, guys, random comment in the video for the top-up giveaway for a slab. You won't be disappointed. Like I said, anything that's Nixie's is good, yeah? Go and follow this man on Instagram. He's a legend. These are sick. And the Shining Fates ETB, damn. Yeah, give Dave a follow. Oh, fuck. Give Dave a follow on Instagram. Daves_TCG. Tell him Pokemon Pete sent you. If you did like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. And if you can help us out, please let me know on these list of subscribers. Just doing my brain in. Like proper pissing me off, to be fair. I've been wanting to do this giveaway now for a couple of weeks. It's Christmas and I can't work out how to get a list. So please reach out to me on Instagram. Random comment in the chat, win a slab. Then as soon as I find out how to do this 100 subscribers giveaway, they'll be doing a draw for the Magikarp. And the funniest comment, or the funniest that I think, tell you what, the comment with the most likes, is going to win this mini tin. Can't say fairer than that. Comment with the most likes. If you did like it, please give us a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Dave, you're a fucking legend.